Hello everybody, my name is Miss Sonia and today we are reading a story all about Peppa Pig. Peppa and the Big Train, my first storybook. Today Peppa and her friends are going on a train ride together. Hooray! They all cheer, very excited. Mr. Rabbit is the station master. He checks all the tickets. Tickets, please. Miss Rabbit is driving the train. Here comes the big train, cheers Peppa. All aboard, says Mr. Rabbit. Then he waves a flag and blows his whistle. The doors shut and the train leaves. Here are your activity sheets, says Madame Gazelle. You have to spot a boat, a signal box, and a tunnel on the train ride. I can see some trees, gasps Peppa. Are trees on the list? Asks Emily Elephant. No, replies Peppa. I can see clouds, cheers Susie Sheep. Are clouds on the list? Asks Candy Cat. No, replies Susie. I can see Grandad Dog, cries Peppa. Is Grandad Dog on the list? My granddad won't be on it, laughs Danny Dog. But he is sailing a boat, says Rebecca Rabbit. And a boat is on the list, adds Zoe Zebra. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train rides on the track, sing the children. Suddenly the train screeches to a halt. The ducks cross the track. A signal box, cries Peppa. That's on our list. Oh, sighs Emily. We still haven't seen a tunnel. Just then the train goes dark. We're in a tunnel, cries Susie Sheep. Hooray! Cheers all the friends. The tunnel is the last thing on their sheets. Last stop, cries Miss Rabbit. Everybody off. But how are we getting home? Asks Peppa. We are home, Peppa, says Madame Gazelle. The children were so busy spotting things, they didn't even notice that the great big train had gone in a great big circle. And now, boys and girls, it's questions time. Question number 1. Are you ready? Were you paying attention? What kind of transportation did Peppa and her friends ride? That's right, they were riding on a train. Question number 2. Who was driving the train? Miss Rabbit was driving the train. And question number 3. Can you name the 3 things Madame Gazelle asked Peppa and her friends to spot? A boat, traffic lights or a signal box, and a tunnel. Well done, everybody! See you next time!